Hello everyone.
Welcome to Food as Medicine channel. Healthy sambar. This sambar is prepared with green moong dal and it has good amount of fiber. This will be really good for health and it will take minimum 40 minutes of preparation. Let's see it. Don't forget to see the magic ingredient added at the end. Take half cup of green moong dal. Wash it and then soak it in water for minimum 4 hours. Green moong dal can be whole or splitted. In a cooker, add 2 cups of water. Keep one vessel inside the cooker. Add soaked green moong dal to this. Green moong dal has rich in fiber and it is really good for health. This has more fiber than the normal moong dal. Add 1.5 cups of water. Close the pressure cooker lid and put a whistle. Wait for minimum 3 whistles. Soak little tamarind in water for 10 minutes. In a pan, add 1 spoon of ghee. Add 1 spoon of mustard seeds. Wait till it splatters. Add 1 spoon of cumin seeds. Quarter spoon of saff. Add 5 curry leaves. 4 pinch of hing. This will give nice flavor to the sambar. Keep it in low flame whenever you are adding hing. Add 15 small onions, peeled and washed. Add 1 nicely chopped tomato. Add 10 garlic. Give a nice mix and cook it for minimum 2 minutes. Small onion is also called sambar onion. That is the main ingredient of sambar. Add quarter spoon of turmeric. Add 1 spoon of salt. Give a nice mix. Just cook it for minimum 3 minutes. Add half liter of tamarind extract to this. Add 2.5 spoons of sambar powder. We need some spiciness, so I have added 2.5. If you want, you can add 1 or 1.5 spoons. Give a quick mix to the sambar and then make it to boil for minimum 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add the cooked green moong dal to this. Give a nice mix. After adding dal, you have to boil this sambar for minimum 8 minutes. Now you could see the bubbles on the sambar. Saff powder 1 spoon can be added at the end. Just take saff and then put it in a dry mixie and make it like a powder. This will be the magic ingredient and this will give a nice flavor and taste. At the end, you can sprinkle some curry leaves or coriander leaves. You can have this sambar for idli, dosa or rice. This will be definitely good. Try this recipe and leave a comment. Thank you.